Hello, I'm Jan from Advacam, and today I will show you how to perform a beam hardening correction in Pixel. So, beam hardening correction is a useful image correction, and it can tell you more about the materials that you are imaging. Today, I will be imaging this PCB using a white PIX detector. As you can see, when you capture your image for the first time, it can have various defects on it, such as clusters of bad pixels or visible edges between the chips. Beam hardening correction can help you get rid of those. So what you need to do, first you need to capture your image as usual. The next step is to capture images of several plates of your chosen material. In this case, we have chosen aluminum. The material should be the one that you are measuring. So for example, if you are measuring plastic parts, you should have like plastic sheets for reference. The next step is to measure the plates of known thickness one by one. You can start measuring from like 1, 2, and then skip to 4 and 8 as the trend of absorption in the material is exponential rather than linear. The plates that you are using for beam hardening should be of the same thickness. The plates should be homogeneous, and the smallest thickness should have such absorption as the least absorbent material in your sample. And on the other hand, the most thick layer should have equivalent absorption to the most absorbent part of your image. Once you have measured all the beam hardening samples, you can upload the data to the beam hardening filter in Pixel. Switch to beam hardening. And now you need to add your beam hardening data one by one and specify the thickness of the sample. You can ignore the time information if all the measurements have been taken with the same acquisition time. Now you simply click Close and tick the checkbox for the beam hardening filter. The contrast in this beam hardened image is reversed, meaning that the part that is the most thick or black, meaning absorbent in the original image, is now white, as it corresponds to the highest thickness of aluminum plates that would be needed to absorb in the same way as this part of the image.